What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're going to go ahead and repair this Proboat Sonicwake V2. The repair is going to be replacing these hexes right here with some new ones. Now, believe it or not, there is not a part number for these hexes right here. I'll give you an example. If you look right here, there is no part number for this, guys. Now, you could get these all day long, okay? And the problem I had is when I tightened down my canopy all the way down, I couldn't get it out. And as I was unscrewing this, it backed it right out of here. And not only did it happen to this side, it happened to the front side here too. So I contacted Horizon. They got a hold of the Proboat team, and guess what? I got enough to, they gave me the parts to replace both sides. Got the new screws, nuts. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just take like a little hook tool. I'm just gonna kind of clean the nut because there is a nut on the inside. These nuts are fine, so I'm not gonna replace them with the new ones. So I'm just gonna kind of clean out the threads a little bit. That was just a little thing in there because they want you to epoxy these nuts in. And again, I'm not using these, or I should say I'm not using the new ones. Let's go ahead and just clean these threads out real quick. Very good. I just don't want to rip this seal off, because if I tear this seal out to try to get this nut out, I mean, then I got to get another seal. It's too much extra work. Keep in mind that these two sides are fine. I just had a problem with these two. So if you guys ever had a problem with your threads boogered up, do not force them in, because I'm telling you, you're going to end up doing the same job here. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so for an example, here's the nut right here that they use in there, which I'm not using again. So I'm going to take this here. We're going to take, I think this is 7/16, yeah, 7/16 wrench, or what is, you can use a socket or whatever you like to use. I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to use this Permatex blue Loctite. Probably not needed, but I don't want to use the red. So I'm just going to put a little dab on there. That's all you need. And it's the gel type. A little bit on there like that. Okay, I'm going to start it by hand. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, you always want to start hand tightening first. Just going to go ahead and get my wrench on there and just start turning it down. Oops. Okay, I don't want to go too tight, but just tight enough. There we go. Check that out. Take one of my new screws and look at that. Gravy. All right, gonna go ahead and repeat that to the other side. Just gonna take this nut off. Little medium strength blue Loctite. Do not get it inside your threads there. Like I said, you probably don't even need this stuff, but just I'm just using it for now. Okay, we'll come over here. You don't want to cross thread them, otherwise you're going to have a lot of work in your hands. You'll take your time and get it done right, and you'll have no problems. Okay, I think we're in there straight. Yes, we are. Go ahead and tighten this side down. Not too tight, because you don't want to strip your nut out in there, and you don't want to break it loose, because those nuts are, again, they are epoxied in. All right. The next step I got to do is install these. And that is very simple to do. Obviously, I'm going to use the new hardware for this. That'll come in this little packet here. I'm really shocked they don't have a part number for this. To me, it just doesn't make any sense. I don't understand that at all. So here's our parts. We got couple washers, O-rings, and some C-clips right there. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and install these screws, the thumb screws on the canopy. The first thing you want to do is install your O-ring, which is this black one here that comes in the kit. Put that on. And then you're going to take and put it through your canopy, just like this. Now what you want to do is you're going to take a washer and install that. And then what you want to do is install your little E-clip right here. And I'm just going to use a simple pair of pliers. Just grasp it on the end here. Let's put our thumb screw back through the hole. And you will see, one second. And you will see a little slot where this E-clip will go in. Let's see if I can get that on video for you guys. And right there is the slot. Sometimes they can be tricky. And sometimes they'll go on like that. All right, there you go. This side is all done. Now I'm gonna repeat that to this side. Remember your O-ring. We'll pop that through there. You're gonna add your washer. And then we're gonna grab our last E-clip. Check that out. Back in action. And we're just gonna pop it in right there. Just grab it on this side and just push her in. Hopefully you guys can see this. I think I can. Bam, just like that. Look at that. Perfection. Now, let's fit it on there. Make sure every one of them screws down good. Look at that. Perfect. And the only thing left in this kit was these nuts. All right, everybody, check that out. I'm back in action. And big shout out goes to Big B over at Ironclad RC. I was watching one of his videos and I noticed he uses duct tape. Well, he's got the gray tape. This is the same thing, just color red. And what I was originally using was this waterproof tape. And it works. I mean, it's pretty thin. You know, you got to make sure it's down. It's got to be dry when you go to apply it for the most part. But when I seen him running that duct tape, and I have plenty of rolls, man, I'm telling you how easy it is. It may not be perfectly watertight, but you know what? It's so much easier, faster. These rolls aren't that expensive. He says it, you know, could be messy. I don't mind, and I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm going to try the duct tape thing. Thank you there, Mr. B. I appreciate it, sir. And hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything, please share to your friends. And be sure to become a subscriber, because over here, I have a really cool giveaway, man. Check that out. This is an Axial SCX24. It's got the C10 body. And I got many upgrades on here. Hot racing motor, the servo mod. I mean, this thing is legit. I did cut up the body, but that's fine, because that's the way I wanted it at the time. But here is a brand new Endura chassis that I'm going to throw in this giveaway. You're going to get the B-Lock tires that are on it here. You're going to get everything here. These stock tires, some more Endura wheels. You're going to get a couple of these batteries here. You're going to get the battery that came with it. Of course, the remote. Got some guards here, some extra guards. Got some clips here. And you're going to get all the spare parts and other parts. There's a lot here in this kit. But you must be a subscriber, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I only think I got 293 more to go, and this baby could be yours. So smash that thumbs up, share to your friends, and again, have a great day.